Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss OpenGL three-dimensional viewing functions. Now this OpenGL software provides several functions for achieving three-dimensional viewing. Now we are going to discuss these functions one by one. Now the first function is GLU lookat. Now it takes 9 different parameters. These 9 parameters corresponds to 3 different coordinate positions. Now the first 3 parameters x0, y0, z0 corresponds to your world coordinates. Then the next 3 xref, yref, z3 refers to the reference position, and vx, vy, vz refers to view of vector. Now these are the 3 parameters which are important for 3D viewing. Now for specifying these 3 parameters we are going to use this function GLU lookat. The next function is GL matrix mode, and this matrix mode specifies what type of matrix you are using for setting your 3D view. Now here you can specify any constant. In this example they have specified that GL underscore projection means to convert 3D point to 2D point we are going to use projection. Hence it is used for setting a projection transformation matrix. Next function is GL ortho. Now it takes 6 different parameters which are used to specify the projection parameters. The orthogonal projection parameter xv mean it is a minimum of your window, xv max, x-axis maximum of your window, yw mean it is y-axis minimum, and yv max is a y-axis maximum, and d near and d far specifies the near and far parameters for your projection. Now which point you are going to consider near or far is based on these two parameters. Now for example GL ortho we have specified here 6 parameters as -1, 1, -1, 1, -1, 1. Means if the object goes beyond this -1 value it is going to be called as far, and if it comes before 1 then it is going to be called as near. This is how you are going to use this GL ortho for specifying orthogonal projection parameters. Now next function is GL matrix mode, and here we are going to pass a second constant, that is GL underscore model view. In first we have passed here projection, here we are going to pass it as model view. A matrix is formed and it is concatenated with the current model view matrix. The current model view matrix has been already declared. With that it is going to be concatenated with the given matrix. Next function is GL frustum, which takes again 6 different parameters which is used to specify perspective projection. The previous function, that is GL ortho, is used to specify orthogonal projection, and this GL frustum is used to specify perspective projection, and the meaning of the parameters remain same. Next one is GL viewport, which is used to specify a rectangular viewport, and this rectangular viewport is defined by these 4 parameters: xv mean, yv mean, vp width and vp height, where vp width and vp height stands for viewport height and viewport width. Okay, these are the functions which are used for 3D viewing and which are provided by your OpenGL software kit. By using these functions we can achieve 3D viewing in your OpenGL programs. We have discussed GLU lookat and then GL matrix mode, where the 2 possible parameters are GL underscore projection or GL underscore model view. And we have seen about GL ortho function, and one more is GL frustum, which are used to specify the type of projection you are using. For perspective projection you are using GL frustum, and for orthogonal projection you are going to use GL ortho. Then we have seen GL viewport, which is used to create a rectangular viewport. Thank you.